everybody, hola and welcome to another Kasiloose video, and today we have both highlights from both case F and G. Yep, I'm going to do it all in one video. Yes, it is been kinda a bit late on my videos. Not a bit late, quite late on my videos, but there you go. So we're going to start off with the 83 Chevy Silverado. This is from the F case, right? Look at that. First appear in the F case. Nice. Kasiloose. Here you go. Look at that. Very vintage looking, classic looking with the lines green and everything. Just look at the bottom there. It says 2021, but I think this is a retool, right? You guys can comment down below. Is it a new casting or retooled? I believe it's a retool. Maybe the base is different. Previously it may be in metal, but now in plastic chrome. But look at that. That is beautiful with a black interior, sort of like exposed bed there. You can see the tires. Nice. Yep, that's the 83 Chevy Silverado. Put it down here. Next we're going for the, also from the F case, the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in the Rotang Clan Matte Mike with a match wheels there. Look at that. That is crazy. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. On the top, on the side, Destiny, Roti from K&N. Toyo tires on the wings there. Matte Mike Motorsport. Nothing on the tail lights. This is crazy looking. Yep, crazy decal there. There you go. Rotang Clan MX-5 Miata. New to the case, a new casting, new to case F, Nissan Z Proto. Look at that, factory fresh in yellow, beautiful. Kasiloose. There you go, look at that. Wow. Smoky windows, yellow. Got a separate piece for the bumper there, and for the grille there. That is awesome with a tail lights. Yes, it is. Just to confirm. Yeah, on the base says 2021. Yellow Nissan Z Proto. Believe it a sort of a prototype. Beautiful headlights, tail lights. Awesome. Yes, it is. Next, we're going for the beautiful recolor of the Volkswagen Beetle. Yup, Kasiloose. Previously in blue, now in a green with a wood panel on the side there. Look at that. That is cool with a brown interior. That is awesome. Love the color on this one, the Volkswagen Beetle. Yes, it is. Next, we're going for the regular treasure hunt of the case F. Look at that. There's the Jeep, the circle flame logo on the side there. 17 Jeep Wrangler. Kasiloose. See that? It's a regular treasure hunt Jeep Wrangler. And there you go, the circle flame logo on both sides. Yep, orange with the mud wheels. Nice, loving this. Yes, it is. The regular treasure hunt Jeep Wrangler. Awesome. 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 Next one, we have the green 76 Greenwood Corvette. Beautiful Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Look at the silhouette there. That is awesome. Nice tone of green. Got a good ear bell on the side. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Greenwood Corvette in the house. Next we go another green, the Mazda Repu. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. The wheels there. Beautiful, beautiful wheels. White rim wheels. Green. Got the side deco. Headlights. Beautiful headlights. And the tail lights. Rotary power. That is awesome. Nice version of the Mazda Repu. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful green Mazda Repu. Yes, it is. And last, not the last, few more to go. It's going to be this guy here, the old Porsche 935 from the G case. I love this casting. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Gold rims there. Goodyear Bilstein. Goodyear on the wing. Wow. Blue. Like it. I like it. Yes, it is. Awesome. Wow. Very classic looking car. Loving this because it's quite a unique look. Porsche 935. Nice blue Porsche 935. So we push it a little bit back. Well, because we have a very limited space here. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Yes, it is. So next one, we're going for the new version of the Porsche 935. Just to show what does the base say. Porsche 935. Yup, may confuse a lot. We have the same name, but this is the latest version of the Porsche 935, and I love the black and gold. Wow, 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 wow. Kasiloose. There you go, black and gold latest version of the Porsche 935. This is a recolor. I like this better than the red and yellow one. This looks slick as heck. Yes, it is. Wow. It says Porsche 935 also at the base. Awesome. Focus it a bit. Yup, and maybe just for the sake of it, comparison side by side. This is awesome that Hot Wheels do the both Porsche 935. Loving this. Yes, it is. Nice. Yup. Focus it a bit. Next, we're going for the new casting. A generic new casting, Layin Lowrider, but this look awesome. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Wow. And for those who didn't know, this engine is a movable part. So when you, how can I show it? Let's just maybe like this one. Yeah, when you roll it, the engine move. Just jiggle, wiggle. Interesting concept there, but this looks awesome. What you guys think? What's the real car base on this one? The Layin Lowrider with a chrome interior and everything. Wow! If only the engine is chrome, maybe. So as you can see from the wheels there you go. There's a notch for the engine to move when rolling. Yup. Wow. Nice Layin Lowrider. Next one, we are going to have the Barbie Extra, another fantasy casting, new to the case. Nice Kasiloose. And here you go, Barbie Extra. This is made of metal, but with a plastic base there. Barbie Extra, for those who collect Barbie type of cars. There you go, pink interior. Awesome. Barbie Extra, yes it is. Next one, the K.I.T.T Super Pursuit mode. I believe this is the first time we've seen this one in the main line. I may be wrong, but we can check it. Kasiloose. There you go. We know we've seen this one in premium before. Yup. But this one, let's take a look. 2013, 2021. So this is a retool. A plastic base, so I believe this is the first appearance in the main line. Having that at the back there. Front looks awesome. Yes it is. Wow, nice wheels and everything. Very appropriate version of the Super Pursuit mode kit. Awesome, yes it is. So next we're going for the Lotus Sport Elise from the G case. So is this a new casting or a retooled one? I'm not so sure. Kasiloose. There you go, white with a green stripe, the British Racing green with a silver headlights, tail lights. Check at the bottom below, 2021. Some say it's a retool. Some say it's a new casting. I have no idea, but you guys can comment down below. Looks, I don't know, stocky. White, the British Racing green stripe on the top. That is nice. Yes, it is. Yup. Next, we're going for the 99 Honda Civic Type RE K9. So this one, of course, the normal version. So you have to got the super treasure. It's going to be gold. EK9, yes it is. Kasiloose. There you go. In yellow with red interior. Headlights. Big headlights and the tail lights. Can see the license plate spells Ryu there. Wow. Wow, that is nice. That is nice. Yellow EK9. Yup. Next we're going for the new casting Lucid Air. Now this is the first time we've seen the brand Lucid. Is there in any other diecast? I think this is the first one. Lucid Air Kasiloose. There you go. A new brand. A new brand for Hot Wheels also. Lucid. Competitor to the Tesla. Yes it is. Maybe you can see the interior there because the windscreen are all the way almost at the top there. Wow. Lucid. Interesting. Interesting. Yes it is. In silver. Lucid Air. New casting. Next we're going for the recall of the custom 70 Honda N600. Previously we've got in sort of like a cream and then green in the last year, I think in 2021. So now we've got the white Kasiloose. There you go, look at that. Love the small compact car with got a license plate 70 N600 Honda, got the tail lights, headlights, and all white. Beautiful. Yes it is. Nice. N600. So we'll push it a bit back because look at that. Tons of cars. I'm doing Kasiloose for you guys. Push it. More. Wow. Next we're going for the green. Yes it is. Volvo 850 Estate. Love this casting Kasiloose. There you go. British green. Is it British green? For headlights, grille there, tail lights, Volvo, simple. Got a brake there, which is totally beautiful. Got Rio on the side, on this side, nothing on that side. Wow, nice. Volvo 850 Estate. Also we've got the Mighty K, beautiful in, I don't know, pink, lavender, Kasiloose. All these great cars are done by Ryu. Yup. Wow. That very small wheels. Every color, previously in white, now in purple, something like that. Look at that. That is cute. Nice. Mighty K. From the GKs, Mazda RX-3. Look at that. Awesome. Wow. Kasiloose. Mazda RX-3 in a very racing liveries there. Vintage racing, JDML, Castrol, Yokohama. Nothing on the headlights, nothing on the tail lights. Beautiful. The color is black with a green and yellow stripes there. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. And the long-awaited return of the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. Nice in red Kasiloose. There you go, the Alfa Romeo. We've missed this guy, right? Yes, it is. Bigger wheels on the back there. Kinda stocky looking with a big front, small at the back. Yup, some love it, some don't. But it's been a long time we've seen this one. Yes, look at that. It's 2013 at the base there. Yep, Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. And we've come to the last four. Look at that. How many cars do I do a Kasiloose for you guys? So we're going to start with not going to start with the Volkswagen Kafer Racer. This is the normal one, but it's a super treasure for case G. Yes, it is. Love the shade of the red there. Yup, Kasiloose. There you go. Volkswagen Kafer Racer number 44. You can see the Jones race product at the wings there. If this is a super treasure, this looks cool as heck. Yup. Wow. Volkswagen Kafer Racer. Next is the regular treasure hunt for case G, the gold duck and roll. Look at that. I keep searching the circle flame logo, but didn't notice that there you go. That's the circle flame logo is hiding in plain sight. Obviously. Oh my god. Nice. Kasiloose. There you go. The gold duck and roll, the pinnacle of Hot Wheels design made into a regular treasure hunt. Wow. Love this casting. Look at that. Look at the eyes, circle flame logo, chrome gold there, green, beautiful. Mwah. Chef kiss. Yes, it is. And a new casting from case G, the Koenigsegg Gemera. Look at that. Beautiful Kasiloose. Charcoal green. Charcoal grey with a Gemera on the side there. Yellow interior, which looks kind of weird, but headlights, grill there, nice. Tail lights, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Koenigsegg Gemera. Interesting. Yes, it is. And last one, new casting also the GMC Hummer EV. So for 2022, everything about the electric vehicles. Yes, right. Oopsie, almost Kasiloose. And there you go. Look at that. Hummer EV. Got the headlights, yellow tail lights, open top. That is nice. 4-door version. Hummer EV. Yes, it is. Yellow. Beautiful. 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 Yup. And there you have it. A mega Kasiloose video covering both F and G. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The case is loaded. Definitely. So you haven't subscribed, notification bell button, share if you want. Don't forget to drop a comment down below what you guys think. F and G. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. And talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.